Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Mahler here, and today I just want to do a quick little review on these four vehicles from Gatchaman. When I ordered my Phoenix, I ordered it through someone on eBay directly from Korea, and they not only had the Phoenix with the LED kit, they also had this set of four vehicles, and I haven't seen that on pre-order anywhere here. So I'm wondering if they will offer it, because I've seen the Phoenix on pre-sale orders on several places, but not this. So this comes in the as a 4-pack, G1 through G4. Mark's airplane. Mark's airplane, Jason's car, Princess's motorcycle, and Kiep's little tank that goes on the water. And Tiny never got a vehicle because he was always in the main ship, the Phoenix. And really it wasn't until recently I realized that the G5 on the Phoenix is not just saying that there's G-Force, there's 5 of them. It's because G5 is the actual 5th vehicle. And duh to me for not realizing that before. So anyway, these kits are approximately 3 to 4 inches wide and or long, each one of these. So it's considerably bigger than the tiny ones you get with the ship. Pretty simple build. You do get decals, a stand, and you can also assemble these in attack mode or in standard mode. So you get the instructions right on the box, and you can tell where the decals go. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with the artwork. These four came in this, I believe it's 9x13 half cardboard box, and I can't bring myself to throw this away. I'm gonna cut the edges off and I'm gonna frame this. This is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna come a week start putting these together. These are pretty simple, so I'm gonna put them together, airbrush them, and then put decals on them, and show you how they look. So again, I have not seen these on pre-orders for the States, only on eBay from Korea. So I don't know what that means, if it'll be offered later on or what. But anyway, I saw these, and there's a little bit more, same shipping cost, since I was getting the Phoenix already. So I'm like, well, what the heck, these look pretty cool as well. So I went ahead and got them. So all right, till next time, guys.